what's going on? How you doing today? It's Saturday and we're headed out to Egmont. We're leaving from the Fort De Soto boat ramp. If you'd like us to do a more detailed review on the Fort De Soto boat ramp, let me know in the comments. It's different than some of the other boat ramps that we've been to, but there are some things I think you would like to know about it. So let me know, leave a comment if you'd like to hear about that. And the reason why we're doing this is we're just trying some different ramps. Normally we have a different ramp we go to, which I'm not giving that one out because it's our secret little ramp. But the Fort De Soto boat ramp is where we're leaving today. Heading out to Egmont. We're looking at half a foot. It's gonna be nice and calm. It'll pick up a little bit around 2 o'clock, which it usually does. The weather, the wind and all that's going to change, pick up slightly, but it's going to be a smooth boat ride back. Right now we're here at the YouTube studio over by Bunce's Pass and Shell Key. Our last video, check that out. We went out on the water. We were in our Friday spot, The Cut, which we really like. We were out there, but we had to pack it up early because of the wind started to pick up. So make sure you watch that video. I'll put a link in the description. I think it's over here somewhere. It'll also be down in the bottom as well. But let me let you talk to Kim here for a minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and get out there to Egmont.
What's up, everyone? How's it going? We're out here again. We made it to another weekend. So happy. It's Saturday. We're in our happy place, heading out to Egmont today. We're gonna do some tasty boat burgers. I was gonna say beach burgers, but we got our new grill. Oh, where's this setup? Look at this. Look at this badass bag we got. Holds the Magma grill. Super exciting. So yeah, come along with us as per usual. Peace.
All right, so we're out here at Egmont. This is a nice little spot here. Egmont is a bird sanctuary, so you're gonna hear a lot of birds yapping today. Let me show you these. So we're setting up the beach chairs on the bow for Mimosa hour. We've got a great view out there at Tampa Bay and the Skyway Bridge. So we're gonna go ahead and get those mimosas going, get some tunes on, and we're just gonna relax. All right, so let me show the setup I got here for Kim. So what's great about this setup is, and this is how we do it, there's a stake that I screw into the sand here. Let me show you. So we screw that in there and then it holds a beach umbrella. And then we also have this other little hook thing. You can have the boat speakers, but it's a lot louder right in here. You can probably hear a little bit of echoing, but it's a nice little shady spot. And then what she'll do is she'll take her float and she's gonna tie up to here. All the stuff we got on Amazon. So if you guys are interested, I'll get some links or something, but it's a regular old beach umbrella, but what are you doing? But the money maker is this stake here that holds it. Your floaty there, and then a little bit. Oh, yeah. There goes the girl. Oh, there she goes.
Get a wave over here.
There we go. All right, so Kim's gonna go ahead and get her float up there. And then what we're gonna do, we're just having a good time. Be careful. Yeah.
Music.
Technical difficulties. There you go. Whoa. Shoot, we got the waves coming in. Check, check, check. How we doing? We went ahead and we got the grill set up. We're gonna start cooking up those, what are we calling these? Boat burgers, huh? We're gonna be cooking up these boat burgers here in a minute. These boat burgers, it's a mix between chuck and brisket. So what I like about this grill is I can just sit here, sit right there and just grill these burgers up. So we're gonna go ahead and chill here for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna go ahead and get those burgers going, and then we'll bring you along for that burger ride. Alright, we'll see if I cook these to temperature. Every man for himself? What the hell? We could probably bring some paper towels out here, but let's see. Yeah. That is good. Sure. A little bit more mayo. Just a smidge. That is good burger. We need to do burgers all day. So hope you guys enjoyed this video out here at Egmont. It's been, like I said, a wonderful day.